Now we take find method. Syntax for find is string dot find with value, then start index and end index. Now we take example. Please check out my previous videos so that you will better understand this part. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to because we have learned string also, we have learned Jupyter download also. If you have not seen that part, please check that out. Now take text equal to welcome to our channel. Now x, next variable we will take, and we define text dot find. Find method, what it is doing, it is finding some letter, character. In what way? Let's see. I'm defining e. If I want to find e, if I am not defining any start index or end index, so it will consider whole string. And why I am defining different variable, to make you clear, I'm writing find. Here I will find same e, but giving start or end index like 3, 7, and z text dot find, and then again we'll search e with some different index like 8 to 12, and when print x, print y, and print z. Now shift enter. So what it is giving? First, when we printing x, so it is giving 1, means the first it is considering whole string, so our first e is coming at index number 1, so it is giving index of e, so it is 1 in x. Now in second case, what is happening, we are printing between 3 to 7, so our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so there comes e at what place? 6th index. So it is defining the index of e between 3 to 7 index. It is giving the first character only, which will come first, that will be given here with index number. Now in z case, what it is, now 8 to 12 there is no e, like this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, there is no e in between here. So when there is a no e, so it will show error and it will represent this error in -1 format. So this is find method. We can find word also, like if I will write 2 here, 2, but index we have to define, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will write here 8 to 12. Now what will it will give? So it is giving 8. Our 2 is starting from 8, so it is giving index number 8. We can use the find method in string. Now let's move to index method. Index method is also same like find, but in the index method the error is given as error. Let's see. I am copying the same example. I will define syntax. This is string dot index, and then same value, comma start index, comma end index. Now I'm copying the same example here again, this, and I am writing here e first, and this is going to be index. Now we will print, shift enter. So in find method it is giving this. I am writing here index, index in index index. So see this one, a substring not found error, but in the find method what it was giving, it was giving -1. So this is the difference between index, otherwise it is giving the same. Like if I write here 2, so the same answer it is giving here also what it was giving previous also. This is the difference between index and find only.